Welcome to AirDroid Business Tutorials. In this video, we will explain structure of group layers and guide you step by step on how to create and manage device groups. Before we begin, it's important to understand the structure of device groups. There are two types of groups: parent groups and subgroups. A parent group is located at a higher level in the hierarchy, often representing larger device categories like different regions or departments. Subgroups are located at a lower level in the hierarchy and are typically used to represent more detailed device categories, such as devices within a specific region or department. You can create as many groups as you want at any level, and you can have up to 5 sublevels. There is always one parent group named default, which cannot be deleted. During enrollment, devices are automatically added to this group unless specified through provisioning templates or device list. Once you understand the hierarchy and relationships of device groups, you can design your own grouping method according to your own business needs. For example, you can group devices according to the functions, members and permissions, regions, departments, permissions of apps, and other dimensions. Next, let's dive into the process of creating and managing a device group. Go to the Groups tab. You can do this in 2 ways. 1. Go to Admin Console, click Set Up Groups on the home page. 2. Go to Admin Console, choose Devices tab. Click Members and Groups. Switch to Groups tab. Then click Create Group. Enter the group name to create a group. After a group is created, you can create a subgroup by clicking the plus icon. From the right of the row, you can manage the group by editing the name and remark, moving the group to a different level, or deleting the group. Device grouping provides organizations the power to perform advanced actions on specific groups, streamlining device management and enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Okay, that's all for today's guide. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.